Let's unbox Advent Calendar from CLARINS. Let's see what they have prepared for us this year, all right? If I can figure out where it starts. So the first one I see, first one goes here. Hydrating everyday cream, and it's a perfect travel size. At least for me, this is what I love. Number 2, Velvet Cleansing Milk is such a great cleansing product. I absolutely love it. Number 3, Exfoliating Body Scrub. Yeah, it has a very fine scrubbing particles. Number 4, One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. Haven't tried this product yet, so I'm excited to give it a go. Number 5, Firming and Toning Body Oil. Smells like a very luxurious spa. Number 6 is also Restoring Mask with hyaluronic acid. Love a good hydrating mask. Numbers, Hydrating Toning Lotion. Number 8, this for the whole body. Hydra Essential Night Cream. This whole line is just amazing. Number 10 is a Dew Face Makeup Remover. Moisture Rich Body Lotion. 12, this is SOS Makeup Primer. Boosts Radiance. This product is actually amazing. You can wear it on its own too. You don't really have to use it solely as a primer. Refreshing Cream Scrub. Very gentle exfoliating particle. Yeah, it's very fine, almost sand-like. I'm excited to give it a try. It's Serum Mascara. Shade is caramel, so it's definitely more like a serum consistency. It just has the slightest tint to it. Bust Beauty Extra Lift Gel. Hand and Nail Treatment Cream. It's a good one to throw in your purse, and they have amazing hand cream. 01 Black. I'm not wearing any mascara, so I'll give this a go. 18. Another mascara. This is Super Lift and Curl Mascara. Total Eye Lift. This is one of the most popular products because it actually does work. It's an amazing travel or on the go size. Number 20. Do I even have to say anything about their lip oil? These are literally the best ones on the market. This is the best lip oil. The shade 04. I will never get enough. I have my whole house full of CLARINS lip oil, and it's still not enough for me. Beauty Flash Bomb. I have not tried this product before. Oh, it again smells so... The association that I have with a scent like that is just like it's a very expensive and effective skincare. It's so nice. So here's the texture. It's pretty clear. It's very hydrating. It's tightening and radiance boosting. I wonder if I can use it under my makeup as a first step, sort of as a primer. 22, Tonic Hydrating Oil Balm. This is hydrating balm for your body. I've never seen a mini version of their lip oil. This one is in 01. Has a yellow tint to it, but it goes on pretty clear. So good. And finally, something big. Tonic Bath and Shower Concentrate. Absolute favorite gift ideas right now. Just look at this variety. Look at the number of products you're getting.